deer hunting. Hopefully we can get a monster buck on the ground for you.
Anyways, let's get it.
Just made it to the stand. Everything's set up. We're gonna get back to hunting, but hopefully we kill a monster. Let's get it. Alright guys, as you can see, that little 6-pointer we just seen, he ran up the ridge, but we've seen 4 deer this morning, 2 does, 2 bucks. They're just too far away for us to get them on camera. It's too thick. Wasn't really quite daylight when we seen the first one, but hopefully Big Boy comes through, so get back to it.
It's looking at us. Alright, he's coming. She's coming. I'm still on her. That's a big doe. Let me know before you shoot. Huh? Huh?
Are you recording?
Yeah, let me know before you shoot, like countdown.
I can't get a good shot of her shoulders in the right.
Just take your time. She's looking. A buck might come in. She might be hot. I don't know. I can see one of her eyes. She's like looking right over where that buck came in earlier. Now she's looking down here.
She smells like good.
My camera's on 1 again. I'm gonna stop the video. Huh? Kelly, that's 3 on one side. 3 on one side. That's an ugly buck. I'd take that. It's a cold buck. You want it? I'm on it right now.
Matt.
Dropped him. Dropped him. Dropped him. Good shot, good shot. Good shot.
Yeah.
I'm zooming out. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot. Hey, I'm still recording if you want.
Let's go, man. He wasn't the biggest thing, but I don't want those genes in the later to come bucks, but
he's dead right there. He's dead right there.
I dropped him, baby.
He's dead right there.
Let's go, man.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, guys. Going to find my buck. I see him, actually. So that's good. We don't have to track him. Like I said, it's not the biggest thing. But I don't want any more messed up deer around here, so had to do what I had to do. Pretty sure he's dead.
But he's right there. Alright, let's go get him.
Let's do it. He's dead.
Yeah, he's messed up.
Got him right in the neck.
He's messed up, see? See, you don't want that. You don't want that in the genes, folks. That's not healthy.
But yeah, hit him right in the neck. He was kind of quartering away. Our stand's about 60 yards that way. But
a big body deer.
Ain't bad.
Huh?
I hate to kill something small like this, but he's messed up, so God, I broke his neck. But alrighty, well, I'm gonna take him back to the truck and we'll get back to y'all later.
Alright guys, well that concludes the video. Yeah, shot him this morning and we already cleaned him, and so we didn't know if YouTube would demonetize us for graphics, like very, very detailed graphics. But yeah, tell you a little story. We were going down the ladder. I was halfway down the ladder and Tucker. We were about to leave. I was videoing the hunt. He was hunting. And Kelly was halfway down the ladder. I was holding his gun and everything, getting it set up like to take back down, and he was halfway down the ladder. I had my bag up, my camera, all my gear up, and I look up. I'm like, Kelly, deer. There's a doe 80 yards walking right to us from the cornfield. So he got back up there. We were gonna shoot the doe because we seen a big 6-pointer this morning. Then we seen a doe, and then we seen a little 6-pointer. Then we seen a doe. Then we seen a doe that we were gonna shoot, and then that doe was walking to us. It's like 35, 40 yards, and it looks just staring where all the other bucks are coming out of. And so me and Kelly are like, well, something big's about to come out. We look, and this little coal buck comes out. With, he's got 3 or 4 on one side with a little kicker, and he's got 1, 2 on the other side. It's just, he's a very ugly deer. So we were sitting there, and the deer was walking. He was getting away, so we grunted, and it stopped and looked at us. Well, then the doe took off running. And at this time, I had the camera off, so y'all don't see this. But the doe took off running. And once the doe took off running, the buck took off running. So we cut the camera back on. And Kelly stopped it. He was like, meh, whatever. And he stopped the deer about, what did he say? How far was that?
60 yards.
About 60 yards.
Yeah.
Stopped the deer. And I was on it. He pulled the trigger. Dropped it right there.
Yep. Hit him in the neck. I don't know if I flinched or whatever, but probably did. But
hey, didn't mess up the meat, that's for sure.
Nope.
But anyways, I'll put a picture at the end of the video of the antlers, and so y'all can see how messed up the deer was. But we didn't really want to shoot it, but we kind of had to because we didn't want to get the
genes
of
of
him.
him.
That doe buck mate with another doe, and then having more deer like that. So we just wanted to get him out of the genetic whatever all that stuff's called.
Yeah.
Anyways, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Until next time,
Peace.